Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the menu keybinds in Windrose. Let's start off by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to mouse and keyboard. Here, scroll down. Look for the menus section. Here you can customize the keybinds. Let's show it on decrease value. I can click on the gray field that's currently holds the Z key. This will access the option to change this keybind. Let's say I want to place Q for this. Then, of course, there may be some conflicts which are described here. I confirm in spite of it. As you can see, the keybind changed. Of course, I confirmed in the menu before. You can also delete the keybind by pressing the right mouse button on it. I'll set it back to the Z key, which was there before. There is also the alternative keybind, which you can set over here. Let's say I want to set decrease value to the down arrow. As you can see, now it is bound to both. Of course, this was only for the sake of demonstration. I will actually unbind this. And I think I explained everything. Of course, you can discard the changes or reset the changes to default. But be wary, this resets all categories at once. So you have been warned. I actually messed up my video settings like that. So not recommended. At least if you changed any of those. Moving on, of course. And there is, I will go through the list to, let you know what options are available to you. There is the decrease value and increase value. Game menu, inventory, map, discovery, adventure, recall ship, previous tab, next tab, previous tab secondary, next tab secondary, confirm operation, quick move, split stack, toggle stat screen, deposit all, deposit similar, take all, take similar, story first page, story previous page, story play pause, story next page, story last page, story close, toggle in-game HUD. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. One more thing. Make sure to apply the settings once you are ready and close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment and like.